This faceless YouTube channel makes hundreds of thousands of dollars from tens of millions of views every single month.
Faceless YouTube channels making tons of money. That is an extremely exciting topic, right? Just like every day, I have done my research using AI and I found these guys are doing it in 7 steps. Don't worry, you don't need to worry about step number 4 to 7. Sounds easy, right? Step number 3 will make you mad. Let's begin with step 1.
The whole industry that surrounds all of this called YouTube automation. The main
YouTube automation starts with selecting a niche.
idea is to create channels around popular niches and topics with high CPMs, therefore higher paying ad revenue.
Okay, here comes a question. Is ad revenue halal or haram? The answer is I don't know. You need to check with a scholar before you even begin. Remember, when you do your research, you should do it for niche as well as content.
Copyrighted work.
So the source and nature of the copyrighted work really is one of the most important things you have to think about as a creator, because it's really important that you make sure you don't take from companies or corporations that are very stringent on copyright, because this will
Make sure you are aware of copyright. Don't worry about step number 3 because bonus step number 4 will make you $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. Step number 2 is the most important section.
copyrighted sources would be things like body cam footage or public domain footage. So think about when a sheriff office posts police body cam footage, that's low risk copyrighted footage.
That's an example of choosing safe content. Before we go to step number 3 and get a bit of angry, in step number 4, we use AI and 99% done for you to make our life super easy. So here comes step number 3.
Transformative content.
An example of something that wouldn't be fair use is just taking someone else's video, adding a little bit of commentary, like maybe 30% commentary to the video, and then just straight up posting it to your channel. No, that's not fair use, because the copyrighted work is valued more than your commentary.
That's the problem. You need to add significant work to transform another person's video into a safe content. But that's not all.
Your commentary. You really have to make sure that your commentary on your educational insight or your perspective or your parody is way more valuable than that tiny piece of copyright.
That's honestly a lot of work. And I didn't even mention the step number 4, 5, 6, and 7. So yes, people say YouTube automation is easy. Do you still think it's easy? I don't think so. And that's why we don't do all this. What we do is bonus step number 4. We use AI to learn fast, just like we learned about this video using AI super fast, literally in a couple of seconds. Then we make our own short videos based on this knowledge and skills, and then we publish those videos on social media sites like Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. These websites send us free traffic to our AI-powered automated sales funnel. This sales funnel does the selling for us, and when there is a sale, we earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. And the reason our students love our program is because it's 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99 and I will DM you with the link to a free case study.